Crystal Y. Davis, and I'm the Lean Coach. And I'm super excited to be a speaker at this year's Transformation Summit. I'd like to personally invite you to join me in my learning session entitled Lead Lean, Improving Engagement. During this learning session, I'm going to challenge the perceptions that you have about the lack of leadership engagement. And I entitled it Lead Lean because I like to focus on the action of leading and less on the positional title of those in leadership. Now, this by no means gives those with a title or those in a position a pass for engaging people in the lean journey and actually leading. But I think that organizations miss a tremendous opportunity to focus on how they can engage everyone at every level by focusing on leaders, whether positional, official, or those who have just taken up the ranks and influenced their colleagues to engage everyone in the lean journey. During this learning session, I'm going to share with you some of my personal experiences and lessons learned and ways that I am able to actually increase and improve the level of engagement on the lean transformation journey at every level in the organization. So I invite you to come into this workshop, be prepared to be engaged, to be involved, and to share some of your experiences to leave there with solutions about how you can increase the level of engagement in your organization. We'll talk about a number of things that can help on a daily basis and to help with problem solving. So I look forward to seeing you in the learning session and look forward to seeing you at the summit.